welcome to another episode of Office Talks with Nena Madu, and I'm your host, Nena Madu. Today's episode and our third skill, we are going to be talking about analytics. Yes, business analytics, data analytics, anything data science. Yes, so that is what we are going to be talking about, and this is so interesting and it's really like very close to my heart. What is analytics? You guys, I'm always going to give you the layman term so that you can understand it. Analytical skills is simply the ability to collect data, analyze this data, summarize this data, know how these data can summarize it in a way that it solves problem, and then make decision based on the summary or based on this data and the information that you've gotten out of this data. A lot of data, and a lot of work, but in the end, it is very, very impressive. There is nowhere that you will go to now that they are not asking you to fill a form or to do something or to just drop an information. All this data goes into somewhere. There is a platform that is collecting all this data. There's a platform that is collecting all this information that you are filling. The ability for someone to interpret it, because it can be very overwhelming and it can be very confusing and you really do not know what you're going to do with this. So the ability for someone to interpret it and bring a solution to the table is what analytics is about. Having this skill, how does this help you in an organization? You guys, I've always said it that I'm not a preacher of Nigeria labor. I'm not saying that every company in Nigeria pays is bad, but I'm just saying that for the ones that are badly behaved, this video is not for you. You do not deserve the people that have these skills. First of all, you can use analytics for any company and every company. They always require the skill of a data analyst, a business analyst, a data scientist, for every organization. The organization that you are in, or for the organization that you belong in as an analytics, you bring good communication. You can be able to communicate clearly what the company needs, the goals of what the company needs, and what it is that they are lagging behind, and what it is that they are suffering, or what it is that the competition is offering that they are not doing. It also brings creativity. You can be able to know what it is that the creativity that is required in a business. Using all the data that you have, you can formulate, because most times data is all about predicting, analyzing, and and all of that. You can critically think for the company to make tough decisions. So business needs to be informed all the time. So your ability to be able to analyze these data for them and give them correct information to be able to form their own decisions is very key. For this whole medical pandemic and the whole way that they are politicizing this whole coronavirus thing, I can imagine the people that are playing the role of data scientists and analysts with this whole coronavirus. I can imagine how much they are cashing out, how much they are putting their information out there and getting paid for the information that they know, and even for the information that they need to hide. You bring out information and somebody will say, no, go and keep it though, don't bring it out though, I don't want to hear it anywhere. So I feel like they are cashing out in this pandemic. And the most interesting part is that you get to deal with the decision makers of a company. You get to deal at management level. So because you are reporting directly to them, they don't want to risk the chance of having third-party information, tell this person to not tell this person. They want to hear it directly from you, that is the analyst. If you're starting out newly, then you might want to focus on the certificate that are recognized worldwide. And then, but apart from that, you can do a master's of 1 year, 2 years, and in business analytics and data science, business analyst, and all of that. Defined bodies, the ones that are very recognized. So as usual, I'll always mention only 3. Certificate of professional achievement in data science. offered by the Columbia University. Number 2 that I will mention is Certified Analytics Professional by Inform. And finally, Cloudera Certified Association Data Science by Cloudera. So you might want to check out these 3 places and also other platforms that might be offering certification, recognized certification in data science or in business analytics. So the fees for you to study this, you can pay as small as $200 just for the basics, to $1,500 for this certificate, to as much as $60,000 in case you want to study abroad. Yes, for the whole duration anyways. So you can always pay that. So it depends on how interesting you find it and how fascinating, and if you want to continue to study. So you can also get the free learning from, not so free learning from them, Udemy, Coursera, LinkedIn Learning, just so that you can be sure if this is what interests you. For earnings and what you can earn as an analytics, yes, it's such a big deal. For marketing consultant, business analyst, data analyst, data scientist, whatever, for entry position, you can, according to Zip Recruiters, you can earn from 54,000 USD yearly income to about 100 and something thousand USD. In fact, most of this, if you check out countries and you say, oh, the most employed, like business analysts or usually or analysts, anything that has to do with analytics is usually like the top 10. As usual, I talk in dollars. Yes, I talk in foreign currency, I talk in working abroad, I talk in future, dreaming high for yourself. Don't let Nigerians to put you down and pay you 100,000 naira if you can study business analytics. But yes, you can try to gain knowledge and then put yourself out there and be very good at what you do and do freelance. So you might want to check that out. You might want to try it. You might want to learn about big data, Python, Excel, all of that. Those interesting things. XSL. Ha! Hey. Anyways, so guys, this is the end of today's episode. Like, subscribe, share this video. Do you have any other points on analytics and that you may want to comment below. Anyways guys, till next time, subscribe. See ya. Bye.